Welcome to Smart Math. Today I'm trying to solve this math Olympic problem with a very unique way. So let's find out the solution. As our equation is x plus 2 horse power 4 that is equals to 16 here. So this is positive value here, goes equal opposite side means sign change here. So our equation is x plus 2 horse power 4 this is minus here 16 that is equal to 0. So this is x plus 2 horse power 4 is 2 into 2 is become 4 here, 2 into 2 is become 4 minus this is 16 I'm wrote here. 16 is 4 into 4 that is 16 here. So this means x plus 2 this means I'm using the power rule. If a to the power of m into n, this means they are equals to a to the power of m whole power n here. So our equation is become power 2 here. So this is minus, and 4 into 4 is 4 square here, that is equals to 0 because power is 1 and 1 here. So I am using the product of power rule, where if a to the power of m and a to the power of n, this means power is added. So added 1 plus 1 is become 2 here. So I'm using the identity of sum and difference, which means this is a square minus this is b square, that is equals to a minus b into a plus b, where a become x plus 2 whole square and b that is equals to b which is 4. So our equation is, if I'm wrote here, our equation is x plus 2 whole square and plus 4 into x plus 2 whole square minus 4, that is equals to 0 here. So I got two factors here, x plus 2 whole square plus 4 is equals to 0, or I said x plus 2 whole square minus 4, that is equal to 0 here. So this means this is positive goes equal opposite side means sign change here. So this is x plus 2 whole square, that is equals to minus 4, or I said x plus 2 whole square, that is goes opposite side means 4 here. So we got two equation here. So I'm further solve. I'm trying to take square root here. So our equation is become square and square root cancel. This is x plus 2, that is equals to square root of 4 and square root of minus 1 here. X plus 2, that is equals to 4 is become 2 square root here, and square root of minus 1 here. Square and square root cancel, and square root of minus 1 is iota here. Square root of minus 1 is iota. So our equation is become x plus 2, that is equals to plus minus 2 iota here. So we got the value of this is positive goes equal opposite side mean negative. So x that is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 iota. So our equation is become x is equals to minus 2 plus 2 iota, or I said at x that is equals to minus 2 iota here. We got two values, but they are in complex number due to iota here. Now I'm solve the case number 2 here. So this is again I am trying to solve, this is square root here and square root here. So this is square and square root cancel, square and square root cancel. We got x plus 2 that is equal to 4. 4 is become 2 into 2 square root here, x plus 2 that is equal to 2 square, square and square root cancel. So we got the value of x plus 2 that is equal to plus minus 2 here. So plus minus 2 here, so this is positive, so goes equal, opposite side negative, x that is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 here. So it means x is equal to minus 2 plus 2, where this is x is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 2, where x that is equal to minus 4 here, and that is the answer. So now let's verify to put in main equation. This is real number solution. Now verify in put in main equation. So let's verify. Put x that is equals to 0, or I said put that equal minus 4 in above equation. So equation is become 0 plus 2 whole power 4 that is equals to 16 here. So this is 0 plus 2 is 0, power 4 is 16. This means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 that is equals to 16 here. So 16 that is equals to 16 here. So now put x that is equals to minus 4 here. So x is minus 4 plus 2 power 4 that is equals to 16. This means they got minus 2 plus 2, for 2 is become minus 2 whole power 4, 16. So this is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 that is equals to 16 here. So this is minus minus plus 4 and minus minus plus 4 whole power, and this is equal to 16 here. So this is 16 is 4 into 4 is 16 here. So I got conclude that left hand side that is equals to right hand side, and it's a part of our solution of our main equation here. So if you know the alternative method, please comment, and if you like this method, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.